Hello and welcome you all in this video tutorial. Dear student, now this video is for class 9th. As you can see, we are going to discuss about chapter number 11, PowerPoint part first. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about PowerPoint, what is PowerPoint, what we do by using PowerPoint, how to create slide, how to customize our slide, how to add animation, how to add graphics. Along with this, we are going to understand the importance of creating slide. So these all things we are going to cover in this chapter. So let us start. Let me tell you the first thing that given inside this chapter is, as you can see here, and in previous chapter also in MS Word I told you MS Word is an application software used for creating, updating, saving and printing a document. The same as PowerPoint is also application software. As written here, PowerPoint software is an application software which is used to create multimedia presentation in the form of slide. PowerPoint is also an application software used to create multimedia presentation in the form of slide. A presentation, you can say that a presentation is a collection of slide, and a slide can be defined as a digital or an electronic page of a presentation. If you want to represent your data by using electronic page, nothing but by a presentation through slide, so for this the better application, the better option that we have is PowerPoint. And this PowerPoint is a powerful software for creating and presenting your views, your ideas or any topic in the form of slide in the front of audience. Now in this chapter we discuss all the possible things that we do by using PowerPoint. Before this, let me tell you some most popular presentation software. So the most popular that we are using, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. It is a product of Microsoft. Next thing that we have is Google Slide, part of Google Docs, Adobe Connect, OpenOffice Impress. Among these all, the most popular is Microsoft PowerPoint. We will discuss the interface of Microsoft PowerPoint. Through that interface, by using that interface, how our work is going to be easy. These all things also we can discuss. Next thing, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Dear student, in your book it was given 2010, but now 2013 is also available and latest version also there with some new addition, new features. Next is PowerPoint is a presentation software that allow you to create dynamic slide presentation that can include animation, narration, images and videos. It is a graphical software package that is used for creating effective multimedia presentation. It is a part of Microsoft Office 2010 suite. It means this application is also a part of Office suite. Office suite means whenever you try to open it, after clicking on all program, as you click on Microsoft Office suite, inside that suite you are getting this PowerPoint also, along with MS Word, along with MS Excel. So this also you are getting, which provide the various tool, wizard, template, themes and predefined layout to create a dynamic and professional presentation. So as I told you, the better way to present your views, your thoughts, your ideas in front of the audience is to present in the form of presentation. And that presentation you can create by using, if you are creating by using PowerPoint, then it was more alive, more visual comparing than if you are presenting that one in any other ways. So this one is the most powerful communication tool right now that we have to present our ideas, views and any project. Microsoft PowerPoint is provide a platform through which you can create presentation, and that presentation can enhanced with 2D and 3D clip art, spatial effect and transition style. Along with this you can implement animation also. For this you are getting some predefined tools inside that window, Microsoft window. So just think how visual you can create your presentation. Next is starting a PowerPoint. How to start? That the same process that we discuss about Microsoft Word whenever we are discussing that. I told you you can start any application by clicking on a start button, going all program, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So likewise you can use this step also. Along with this you are having one more way, that is press window R and type here power PNT. This is the shortcut command to open PowerPoint. As you type and press OK or enter button, that PowerPoint window is going to be appear on the screen. As it was appearing on the screen, it will have a layout, a screen, a console like this. Inside this you are getting blank presentation. Along with this you are getting some predefined templates as you are getting inside MS Word. So it up to you, you want to use blank presentation or instead of this you want to use any template. As I told you, templates are the predefined structure, so you are having both the option, either you use blank presentation or use any template. Next thing, the PowerPoint window. As you open PowerPoint window after selecting blank presentation, so like this you can get the interface. So interface, like as you click on blank presentation you are getting an interface like this. In this one is the quick access toolbar, title bar, control buttons, this one is the ribbon. Inside this you are getting all the options. This one is your slide area, dialog box launcher, outline tab, slide thumbnail pan, this one is node pan, view button, zoom slider, status bar, slide pan, placeholder. So these all options you are getting. Now inside this slide, this one is the placeholder. Placeholder means these two placeholders are given here. If you want to reside any content, so you must put that particular content inside this placeholder. According to your choice, you can change this placeholder. If you want one, if you want two, that is up to you. How you can change the placeholder, how you will get multiple, how you get single, that all we will discuss in this video. Okay. Next thing. So this is about the PowerPoint window, interface window. It will look like this. Status bar, as I already told you in Word also, status bar. Inside status bar you are getting all the page related information. Inside status bar you are getting all the page related information, like how many pages or how many slides you are having in your presentation. Along with this, which view currently you are open, zoom in, zoom out. Along with this, office theme, which theme you are using. So these all option page related basic information you are getting inside title bar. So like this you can use this window also. Next thing, if we discuss is quick access toolbar, ribbon, file tab, slide pan, slide tab, online tab, status bar, view button, note pan, vertical and horizontal splitter bars, home tab, clipboard. So these all options present inside that particular window. Next, for changing font of a slide content, for this you are getting all the options that present inside home tab. Like currently I am having only one slide. Inside home tab you are getting all the options. As you click on inside the placeholder, that particular option is going to, As you can type inside, as you click inside placeholder, the cursor is going to be visible, and after typing, as you type, it will appear like this. And if you want to make it bold, already bold underline selected, bold. For control B also you can use italic, underline, and from here you can change the font style along with this font size also. If you want to change the sentence case, lower, upper, capitalize each word, toggle, that option also available. And along with this font color, you can change the font color also. It means inside this home tab font group, you can do all the formattings related to that particular text. It means changing the font style, font size, bold, italic, underline, font color, capitalize each word, sentence case, upper, lower, each and everything you can do from here. Moving to the next. So this I told you. Along with this, you are having a strike through, text shadow, character spacing, change case, and font case. Character spacing, change case means capitalize each word, lower, upper, toggle case, as I show you. Character spacing means adjust the space between the character. Character spacing you can do from here. Next that we have is inside PowerPoint home tab. Apart from this font, we are having paragraph group also. In this paragraph group, you will find that bullet option, numbering option, text alignment. Bullet option, like suppose you want to add bullet, to select this one. As you write, automatically bullets is going to be appear. In place of this bullet, if you want number, the number option is also there. You can use number option. If you want to align your text, left, center, right, and justify, so this option also is here. Next that we have is you want 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. So this number of line, from here you can add paragraph spacing also here. Line spacing, you want 1.0, 1.5 line spacing or remove line spacing. So this option also you can have in this paragraph group. Apart from this, you are having symbol option also. If you want to use any symbol, so from here easily you can add symbol like this. You are having so many symbols, so you can add. You can use that shape fill also. You can fill any color with any color inside that shape whatever you are using. Shape outfill also, outline, for outline also you are having color. And apart from this, you are having find and replace option also. In a particular slide, if you want to find something and want to replace with something, so for this, as you click, one dialog box will appear, find what and replace with. Suppose I want to find capital D and replace with S. So find next or replace all. So as you click, it will change wherever it was finding that D. So like this, you can get these all option inside home tab. Next thing that we have is so these already we have discussed. Shape also we have discussed. Next is guideline to make an effective presentation. Dear student, if you want to make your presentation effective, eye-catching or motivating, so for this you need to follow some guideline. Your presentation, it must be according to some guideline, like the first one given in your book. Keep it simple. As simple as you make your presentation, it will effective comparing than if you are making it difficult. So always try to keep your presentation simple. Use chart which are easy to understand. The thumb rule for making a good presentation is to ensure that there are not more than 5 words in each line and not more than 5 lines in each slide. Doing this If you are really doing this, then your presentation is more effective and it was simple also. Next point that we have is minimize fact and figure in a slide. Always try to minimize facts and figure in a slide. It make your slide more interactive and more understandable. Use variant colors. Do not use dark colors. Between word, graphics and background can be used very effective and conveying both message and emotion. It means do not use a color that have high contrast or that have a high color resolution. Use simple color. Next point that we have is import image, graphics and video. Do not limit your presentation to collect of clip arts, etc. Provided in PowerPoint, improve image, graphic, video for better visual appeal and variety. Use limited number of images, apply limited number of graphics and use minimum number of videos in a presentation for making it simple. Next is use humorous in your presentation. Humorous helps to convey a message efficiently and loosen up the crowd. It means if you want to deliver anything, if you want to share some idea with the crowd, to always use humor in your presentation. Always your presentation used to be meaningful. So for this you must have to keep humor in your presentation. Edit ruthlessly. After creating PowerPoint slide, imagine yourself as a crowd, as a listener, and analyze your project. If you find any distracting thing, confusing thing and unappealing things, immediately either modify or remove that particular content so that you can deliver the correct exact message whatever you want to convey with the crowd. Next thing that we have is hold up your end with enticing convincing material. It means sometimes the ease of use to create a simple and engaging presentation with eye-catching slide and graphics in a PowerPoint, because its own enemy. Always remember that people do not merely stay at image tossed onto on a screen. It means if you want to hold the attention of the crowd, so you have to work according to that. Always keep your presentation simple. If message is convenient for everyone, understandable for everyone, then your presentation is also a little bit interacting for the crowd. So always try to end with. Okay, next point that we have to discuss is this: do not parrot PowerPoint, make eye contact with your audience, time your remarks, making your powerful first impression. As you know, the first impression is the last impression. So whenever you share, you deal with the crowd via presentation, you must have to build your impression and easily and successfully tell the crowd whatever you want to tell through slide, through presentation. So always making a first powerful impression. Next that we have is basic element of a slide. If we discuss the basic element of a slide, so in slide mostly we have a background, date, footer, slide number, body text and title. A idle slide, a basic slide can contain these all 6 elements First one is background, title, body text, date, footer, and a slide number. So these are all the basic elements that we have in a simple slide. Next thing, different type of slide layout. How to add different type of slide layout? So as you click on layout, so here you are getting some layout, and that layout, let us see practically about that layout. For this I need to start again PowerPoint. After starting PowerPoint, as you can select that blank presentation, inside this you are getting the layout option. So from here you can select the layout. Layout in the sense you want title slide, title and content slide, select section header slide, 2 content slide, comparison slide, title 1 slide. So likewise blank slide, content with caption slide, picture with caption slide. These all slide layout you are having, and these all layout you are getting inside home tab layout button of slide group. So go and click on home tab, slide group of layout tab, and here you are getting all the slide, title, content, header. So according to this, as you select, suppose I want title, so only one placeholder is appearing here. And next thing, if you want to add, currently I am having only one slide. If you want to add more, so for this the shortcut key is Ctrl+M, or from here also you can use add new slide. And here also, as you click on the drop down, you can use these all layout. So this way you can add slide layout and insert multiple slide also. So these many slides we are having, and if you, according to your need, you can use. Create the blank presentation. How to create blank presentation? As I told you, as you click open PowerPoint window, so what will happen? As you click on new, here you are getting template, along with this you are having blank presentation also. As you click, one blank presentation is going to be open on the screen. Next thing that we have is, after creating blank presentation, adding text. How to add text? So if you want to add any text inside this, so you need to click the mouse cursor inside that placeholder. After this you need to type the text. Built-in template. So as I told you, you are having both blank presentation, along with this you are having built-in template also. You can use template. How to use template? Let us see. Don't save. Try to open one new. Click here, new. Suppose in place of this you want to use, so I want to use this one, slice. So as you click, it was having some color option. Whatever color you want, select and click on create. As you click on create, the built-in layout is going to be appear on the screen. So likewise you can use blank or built-in layout, built-in template. As you know, template are the predefined structures. Saving a presentation with password. How to save your presentation with password? Suppose this is your presentation, you want to save with password. To click on file, go to save as option or save option. Save dialog box is going to be appear. Select the location where you want to save the file. Suppose I want to save it on desktop. PowerPoint slide. Suppose this is my file name. Click on tools option, general option, password to open, provide the password, click on OK, confirm password, click on OK, click on save button. As you click on save button, your slide is going to be saved with password. Go and check, go to desktop, try to open that particular slide, go to desktop, close these all. PowerPoint, don't save. This one is not going to be closed. Okay. To do one thing, this screen is not going to be closed. Go to Task Manager. Sometime you are facing this problem, so along with this I am telling you what is the solution. Click on this PowerPoint and click on this End Task. As you click, don't save, and that one is going to be closed. If easily it was not going to be closed, sometime it will happen, so do that one. I already saved my presentation on desktop with PowerPoint slide. So let us search where it was saved. PowerPoint slide. If you are not getting here, so what you need to do is again try to open PowerPoint, and in the list also you can find this. See, D drive it was. So as you open this, it was asking the password. As you provide the password, the presentation is going to be open. So like this you can save your document with password. This step we have discussed in Word also. The steps are given, that only we have done. Closing a presentation. If you want to close any presentation, so it will appear with 3 buttons: save, don't save, and cancel. Save means you want to save the changes, don't save, you don't want to save the changes, cancel means you want to cancel the dialog box. Apart from this, one more close button is here. If you click on file and click on close button, what will happen? Application is remain open, but the file is going to be closed like this. Application is running, but that particular file is closed. So from here you get close option also. And if you want to exit, so directly click here. That particular file application is going to be closed. And if you make any changes, cancel, you directly click on cancel button. What will happen? It will come, one dialog box will come with 3 buttons: save, don't save, and cancel. So you just decide what you need to do. You want to save, don't save, or cancel. Opening a presentation. How to open a presentation? If you are already having a presentation you want to open, to go to that location and click on that presentation. Suppose currently I am having this PowerPoint slide inside D drive. As I click, that presentation is going to be open. So like this you can open any existing presentation. Next, editing and formatting a slide, or adding a text box to a slide. Now how to insert text box? From here, as you click on text box, now you can add text box and write whatever you want. Like this you can add text box. Next thing,